Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating this area in my window. So come on with me, guys. So I decided to go ahead and just redo the window and take out all that pink, and we're gonna go bees, guys. I love that theme, so that's what we're doing. Just a little bit of trouble here reaching, but you know what? I'm gonna get it done and it's gonna look gorgeous. Okay, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way. And it's exactly that. You can start anything from a DIY to your favorite item your way. An area, a refresh, whatever that might be, just style it your way, guys. Now hosting this collaboration is Tablescapes by Candy and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Now I do have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me just go ahead and mention them. We have Design with Emma, we have Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Design, Decorating with Jazzy Green. As in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. So recently I had my tier tray collaboration, and just so happened that I decorated them with bees. So I wanted to move the bee scene over to the window. I am going to adjust it a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and decorate that window. Now I'm so excited to be decorating this area here, and I love the bee theme, so this is gonna come out beautiful, guys. Okay, so I didn't want to overclutter the window, and I think all of this came out absolutely beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I think this window came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. I'm loving that bee theme. So I also want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for joining me in this collaboration. I really had fun. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.